Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Meshchain Airdrop, the withdrawal update, and everything you need to know about this Meshchain. Meshchain withdrawal update, the listing date is today, January 23rd, and the countdown is remaining 4 hours. 4 hours, 57 minutes, and 18 seconds. So right now, we are still waiting for the countdown as today is their listing date. Over here, you can see the today's reward and the total reward I have. I started this project very late, but at this point, something is still not clear on this Meshchain. At this point, we have not yet seen the conversion rate. Now, let's click on this wallet so that we understand what I'm saying. Click on this wallet. So here, the total asset I have is 0.005 BNB. That is their network. And my point is still showing. It's still saying coming soon. This little point I have here is still saying coming soon. The MCC contract address that we added has not yet been converted. There's nothing here for me to withdraw at this point. So these people supposed to clarify us because as it is now, I don't understand anymore. How am I going to withdraw the MCC contract address they have given to us? How am I going to withdraw this my point? That's why I'm saying there's supposed to be a conversion rate. They are not just being open on this. And the MCC token, the price is 0.1 per MCC coin as it is right now. Another one, the end session task that I do, the Trump, I have it here, is showing, and the BNB. So this is the only thing that is showing here. And the Oga Patapata of them, which is the MCC, is still showing 0. So how am I going to withdraw this my point? That means there should be a conversion rate, and it is now yet open for us. Now, even if you click to this withdraw, you can see this withdraw. If you tap on withdraw, you are now going to select token that you want to withdraw. I don't have USDC. I don't have USDT. The only coin that I can withdraw from this Meshchain is this MCC. And if you tap on this MCC, I have nothing. I have nothing. Now, let's read what they say. Note, those purchased in the pre-sale can only be withdrawn up to the amount unlocked for the first month as per the tokenomics plans. For more detail, please refer to our tokenomics documentation. So, this Meshchain, those people that can withdraw right now are the people that participated on their pre-sale. So if you did not participate on their pre-sale, you're not going to withdraw your token right now. I think they are still going to give us updates concerning this because definitely there is no way everybody will partake on the pre-sale. Does it mean we that did not partake on the pre-sale, after the time wasted, we will now lose everything? So I believe they are still going to give us updates concerning this. Yes, they are going to give us updates. So if you participated on the pre-sale, what you have to do is to copy your MCC token address from the Trust Wallet or MetaMask whereby you have linked it. You put the address here, then you put the amount of MCC token that you are going to withdraw. Once you put the amount here, you will now click on this confirm right here. So that is it. So this for now, although the countdown is still 4 hours, I'm still going to watch the countdown finish. Then I will know what's up. If it is what I can continue the video, I will continue. But right now, those that can withdraw their token, those that has their token on their web that can withdraw it are those that partake on the pre-sale. This channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates. And for those that are yet to do their let's click on this reward. Those that are yet to do their tasks. Somebody's asking me how to rate on Chrome. I've done that to rate on Chrome. Just what you have to do is to add it to, you click on rate now. You have to add it to your desktop. Add it to your desktop. It's now added. Once you add it to desktop, you will now sign in. Why my own has added is because I've already did that on the Telegram bot. So I've already did it before coming here. That's why immediately I say add to desktop, it now click add. Once you click on add to desktop, you need to sign in to your Chrome. You sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be able to do it. So that is it for now. To my wonderful subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for finding value to my videos. Thank you all. Thank you all. May God bless you. Oh, and this one, you need to add Meshchain AI to your name. Just write Meshchain AI to your name, only on your username, and you get it. I've not added it, so I'll do that later. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.